Hi friends, I welcome you all to the Static GK 2025 channel. So today we are going to talk about a very important topic which we feel very difficult to learn. That is the Viceroys of India in a chronological way. In this I will provide you a story through which you will be able to remember the Viceroys of India in chronological order in a very simple way, right? So let's start our topic here. So before starting our topic, I'm going to give you the mnemonic that you have to learn. The mnemonic is can Elgin law may cook Lord and triology. This is the first statement. Second statement is down Elgin was cursed by Minto very hard. Third line, MS Dhoni read Winden Govel's batting. Let me say you another time. Let me repeat it. Can Elgin Law may cook Lord and triology? Down Elgin was cursed by Minto very hard. MS Dhoni read Winden Govel's batting. So if I say vaguely this mnemonic, you will not able to remember. Let me tell you a story which will be very helpful for you to remembering this mnemonics in a very effective way. So let's start. See, consider a scenario where a cricket match is happening between two teams, your favorite teams. One is India, another like whatever the favorite team you have. Just remember the players that I'm going to say. The three cricketers that you have to remember here is Elgin, Winden Govell, and MS Dhoni. Elgin, Winden Govell, and MS Dhoni. Elgin, the Viceroy name also Elgin only, so it will be easy to remember. This Winden Govell is actually four Viceroys. This Win means Irwin, Dun means Willingdon, so Winden. That term pretty much it gets completed there. Next, if we talk about Govell, Gov is Lindlithgow, and Wevel is well. So Gowell, Winden Govell. So this is the only name that you have to remember, so that it will make your job very easy. Then MS Dhoni. From MS Dhoni, we get the Viceroy Chelmsford. How? The trick is we have MS here and we have D here. So with that it forms MSD. So MS Dhoni will be the correct thing. So another thing that you have to remember here is consider this cricketers. There is two teams. For example, let it be England versus India team. In England, we have players Elgin and Winden Govell. They are batting. Actually, they are batting and we are bowling. And MSD is the captain. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the captain. He is behind the stumps. He is witnessing these things. The stadium where this match is happening is the Lord End Triology. Remember the stadium name as Lord End Triology. I will show you there. Wait for a while. Yeah, this is the Lord and Triology. Let this be the stadium where they all are playing. So the story goes like this. Elgin was playing very good, but after some time, due to MS Dhoni's strategy, he was cornered. Not cornered. His play will become very low. Because of that, another person, Minto, one of let's say he's an England fan. He was cursing Elgin. What kind of play you are playing? You are playing very bad. So he was cursing very hard to Elgin. After a particular time, Elgin gets out. After Elgin gets out, Winden Govell comes to batting. Now MS Dhoni is strategizing for him, reading his movements. So this is the scenario. If you remember, this mnemonics is very easy to understand. So let's now, if you see this mnemonic, I think it will be very relatable to you. Let's start. Can Elgin Law may cook Lord and Triology? That is, will he be able to withhold the series, the match that he's playing in the Lord and Triology Stadium? Down Elgin. Elgin was down, right? And he was cursed by Minto very hard. Because he was down, he was cursed by Minto very hard. The match that we were about to win, because of this Elgin's down performance, we may lose it. So this is a scenario. Now Elgin gets out. Wyndon Govt comes to batting. MS Dhoni read his batting. This is the only story you need to remember, so that it will be very helpful for you to understanding this Viceroys in a chronological order. Let's now only read the mnemonics, then we'll see the Viceroy's name all together. You will see the effect of this mnemonics. Just one time we'll read this. Can Elgin Law, May Cook, Lord and Triology. Down Elgin was cursed by Minto very hard. MS Dhoni read Wyndon Govt's batting. Right? Now let's go. Let's see our Viceroys. See, can Elgin Law, May Cook, Lord and Triology. Right? I have said this thing. So can is Canning, Elgin is Elgin, Law is Lawrence, May is Mayo. 4 Viceroys cover. Next. Cook, Lord and Triology. For Cook, Brook, I have made it as Cook. So North Brook is Cook. In the mnemonic, North Brook is Cook. So that you will understand. And Lord and Triology, the stadium name, Lord and Triology that I was saying right there. No, that Lord and Triology is nothing but LRD N Triology. Why I have kept that name as like this? The starting letters are L, starting letters R, and starting letter is D, and it all ends with N at the word ends with N. See, Lytton N, Ripon N, Dufferin N. That is why I've made that, clubbed that into a stadium name as Lord and Triology, so that it will be easy to remember for you. So Lytton, Ripon, Dufferin's Lord and Triologies. Then what we have seen, Down Elgin, Landesdown Elgin, right? Was cursed by Minto very hard. See how easily you have understood the chronology. Now MS Dhoni means Chelmsford. He's reading who, what? Wyndon Linlithgow. He's reading Wyndon. Wyndon is Willingdon, and Wyndon Govels. Go is Linlithgow, and Well is Wavell. Batting. Pretty much I think the video was lengthier, but I was trying to make you remember this mnemonic in a very easy way, so that you will never forget it. This 10 minutes of your time will never go waste. So my ideology is that. So let's see last time a recap of this. So can Elgin Law May Cook Lord and Triology? Can Elgin Law May Cook Lord and Triology? Down Elgin was cursed by Minto very hard. Down Elgin was cursed by Minto very hard. MS Dhoni read Wyndon Govell batting. So that's all for this video. I think you have understood this Viceroys of India in a chronological order in a very, very simple story. See, the timelines are not that much important. You have to know the chronology. So that's what is important. See, if you know the chronology, automatically the dates you will, while reading n number of times, you will get that year. So that's all for this video. I think you have enjoyed this video, seeing up to there. Please do like, share and subscribe, so that it reaches the n number of aspirants who are preparing for the examination, various examinations like SSC, Railways, UPSC, state PSCs. And the purpose of this channel is to make the static GKs and general studies very easy and understandable to the aspirants. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.